Hi guys, welcome again to Millside. So you may have noticed the website says Kegland coming to South Africa soon. Very happy to tell you that shipment is at Durban Harbour. It's being unpacked as we speak, and hopefully that will be on its way through to us soon. By the following week, hopefully it's here. We can then do stock take, get everything on the website, have final pricing for you guys. So obviously we don't have the entire Kegland range on the first ship. Kegland has a massive range of items. We'll be bringing everything from A to Z over the next few months. But if there's something you're looking from the Kegland range, you just need to drop me a mail. We can pre-order and get those items in the meantime for you. On the shipment is BrewZilla in its various formats with a whole host of different upgrades for it. The DigiBoil with a DigiMash, again a slimmed down version of the BrewZilla. All the distillation items, a lot of people don't know that you can actually distill with those two items as well. So we've brought in the alembic lids, the standard distillation lids. We have our Unistill, which is a nice system because now you can have a pot still one day, a reflux still the next day. And then obviously we have all the spares that go with those items. Obviously important to be able to back all these things up. And then we have a host of little smaller items that we've brought in, nice little odds and sods to make that range comprehensive. So we'll keep you guys updated, and we'll obviously post more information as we get it and as we get final pricing. You can drop me a mail, info@millside.co.za. I can then keep you informed personally. You can pre-order without obligation. Once I have pricing, then you'll obviously need to confirm that order with us. So we look forward to your support. Go to YouTube, go look up BrewZilla, FirmZilla, DigiMash. It gives you a good idea. There's good comparisons. These are not new products. They've been around a long time. They're very well tested. There's a lot of comparisons between different makes. And this will just give you a good idea of how good the quality of these products are. So until then, thank you and see you again on the next video.